Okay, welcome to our live coverage of the markets today, the 19th of October 2020. Okay, the first equity we are looking at right now is Kaixin Auto Holdings. It is up 294.2% as we are making this video. So we're coming to you live. Let's see what is going on with the charts here, and we'll just quickly digest some of the technical analysis. You can see what's going on here. You can see this spike. You can see the spike. You can see that, and this is happening right now, not in the pre-market. It's happening right now. So it's a micro cap. It's worth 125.2 million. And it has 60.46 million shares outstanding. So to a 10-day average volume is 12.2 million shares, and for 90 days it is 1.5 million shares. So people have been talking about it here on stock tweets. Let's see what's the sort of data we have concerning. Okay, 4,636 are watching it. Sentiment is up 1.7%. Message volume is 96.19. Okay, market 186.08 is the volume so far. Okay, like, subscribe, and share if you just joined us. Thank you. So let's see. Let's find out some more details. Okay, so you can see the average volume is about. So we are up to more than 10%, more than 10 times the average volume. So a lot has been traded, a lot has been bought, a lot has been sold, and it's likely that much of those have been flip up. People selling, buying, people's coming off their positions, and people coming in. This is what must have resulted in that this sort of volume we are looking at right now, 186.08 million, whereas it says its average volume for the last 10 days is 12.2 million. Okay, so let's digest some of the technical analysis here. It says Kaixin appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upwards sloping, and my day histogram is above zero and rising. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that this issue is outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum on Kaixin as measured by a 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is waning. This means that investors are less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits in positions bought at lower prices. The last 10 days have seen significant volume in Kaixin, with average daily volume above the average for the last year. Today's volume is no exception, with 190,750,940 shares having been traded already. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of this indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. You can see this is a live coverage. You can see that this is a live coverage. This is up to date. The last 10 days have seen significant volume in the Kaixin, with average daily volume above the average for the last year. Today's volume is no exception, with 190,750,940 shares having been traded already. Okay, the Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied the recent price move. Events such as this may precede a pause or reversal in near-term trends. Okay, so let's quickly move on to the next equity, which will be KXIN New Continental. CCNC. Okay, KXIN is up 79.09%. Let's refresh this. Let's see. Let's update this. Oh, you can see that. You can see what has happened already. Okay, let's find out if there's any piece of information concerning. Okay, there's no news available. Okay, let's find out what people are saying on the streets. That should be CCNC. Okay, if you're new, if you've just joined us, subscribe, like and share. CCNC. Okay, let's KXIN. We don't have anything here. Okay, nothing there. Well, got the code right. Okay, so let's digest what we can out of this. Stay connected. Price reached a new 52-week high of $4.10. This exceeds the previous high of $2.46 by $1.64 and is 485.63% above the 53-week low of 0.70. Okay, so let's read. You can see some things going on here. The RSI is now right in the overbought territory. Okay, let's digest some technical analysis. The 10-day average volume is 387,961. Okay, let's see. CCNC appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping and the MACD histogram is above zero and rising. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that this issue is lagging the S&P 500. Okay. Momentum for CCNC is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for shares. The last 10 days have seen significant volume in CCNC with average daily volume above the average for the last 10 years. For the last year. Today's volume is no exception, with 27,718,254 shares having been traded already. The unbalanced volume indicator is published. The slope of this indicator is positive and suggests buyers are presently more active than sellers. Okay, so this is also an update. It's an update of what is going on right now in the market. So it's not a stale, redundant analysis. Okay, the Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied recent price moves. Events such as this may precede a pause or reversal in near-term trends. Okay, so that's also some sort of warning as well. Okay, there isn't very much going on here. We couldn't find anything concerning CCNC on stock tweets. Let's try again. Code chain. Okay. CCNC. Nothing like that. Okay, it's not covered here in the stock tweets. Okay, let's move on to the next equity. That will be BQ. We hope they will have that as well. Okay, Bogi Holdings Limited. Okay, let's get it updated here. Get it pulled up here on Charles Schwab. BQ. If you have subscribe and share, subscribe, like, and share, as the case may be. Okay, let's get more details if we can from Short Squeeze. Okay, it's up 0.73%. It was higher than that earlier on. Okay, let's find out what's going on. They must have lost some steam already. Yes, I believe this happened. Yes, it does. It has definitely lost some steam. This was okay. We'll find out. By the time we will read through. We'll find out. So the market cap is 420 million, and the shares outstanding is 90.75 million shares. Okay. So we need to update this. That's one of the things we need to do. Okay. That's the much that is available for this equity. Okay, let's see what people are saying here. It has a zero sentiment. Okay, China name, which could go next. More Chinese garbage. Buyer beware. Okay. Okay, so we're reconnected. I believe. Okay, so let's not waste any time on that. There isn't very much to look at over there. So the next one is a Frontier Residential Corp. Frontier Residential Corp. Okay, it's a real estate investment trust. Let's find out what's going on here. So it's up 35.49%. Okay, you can see that. You can see that what looks like a gap on that chart. So so what the settings are saying here: price reached a new 52-week high of $13.69. This exceeds the previous $28 by $0.41 and is 127.79% above the 52-week low of $6.01. Okay, it's a micro cap of 585.1 million US dollars. 72% of the equity are held by institutional investors. Okay, short interest, short percent is at 1.42. Okay, is there any trending news concerning this? Okay, there might be some news. Let's see if we can digest some of that. not the sort that we can actually consume based on the sort of application we're using on this. Okay, let's see if we can get it in here as well. I think that's the same as well. It's going to be difficult if we try to do this. Okay, it's just saying it's up. That's all it's saying. It's just saying that equity is up. So, okay, so the outcomes are expected on the 4th of earnings outcomes are expected on the 4th of November 2020. The consensus estimate is negative $0.31. Okay, so let's see if we can validate anything here on RESI. Okay, the short interest is 1.71% of those 1.71%. Not so wonderful. Okay, let's see whether we can find out before we digest the technical analysis what's going on here. RESI enters into definitive $2.4 billion. Sorry about that. $2.4 billion acquisition transaction with Pretium. And okay, 41 stocks in the move. Market going down soon. The sell-off was on Pent. RESI took a look at APTS. She's okay. Take a look at APTS. She's next in line. Okay, this is from Chatmill. There's a brief technical analysis. Shareholder alert. A day my LLP investigates whether Frontier Residential Corp has obtained a fair. Okay, they want us to go to the link and find out what's going on there. The Real Trading Group is the best last week, up 2,620%. Okay. New article, shareholder alerts. The MI LLP investigates whether Frontier Residential Corp has obtained a fair price in its transaction with Pretium and RS Management. Okay, so not a very shabby piece of news concerning this. Okay, let's see if we can get some technical analysis. Frontier is showing strength within a longer term bearish trend line. Its MACD is above the signal line and shares are presently 35.9% above the 200-day moving average. However, that moving average is declining, implying that caution is still warranted. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that this issue is outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for our Frontier Residential is strongly bullish. The 14-day 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing shares and driving the price higher. Today's volume is on track to be heavier than usual, with 11.88 million shares having traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. The Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied recent price moves. Events such as this may precede a pause or reversal in the near term trend. Okay, so the next one is Natuzzi SPA. NTZ. If you're just joining, like, subscribe, and share. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.